Causes of a car losing power when accelerating. When a car loses power during acceleration, it can be a sign of several underlying issues. These problems can range from fuel delivery issues, air intake problems, ignition system malfunctions, or even mechanical faults. Below are detailed explanations of the most common causes for a car losing power when accelerating. 1. Fuel system issues. One of the most common reasons for a car to lose power during acceleration is a problem in the fuel delivery system. If there is insufficient fuel reaching the engine, the combustion process will be compromised, leading to reduced power. Clogged fuel filters, malfunctioning fuel pumps, or faulty fuel injectors can all contribute to this issue. When fuel filters are blocked, they restrict the flow of fuel to the engine, which causes the vehicle to starve for fuel, especially during acceleration when more fuel is needed. Similarly, a failing fuel pump may not provide adequate pressure, affecting performance. 2. Air intake problems. For optimal performance, an engine requires a balanced mixture of fuel and air. Any disruption in the air intake process can lead to power loss. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow into the engine, leading to poor combustion. Additionally, a malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor, which measures the amount of air entering the engine, can send incorrect data to the engine control unit (ECU), resulting in improper fuel delivery and loss of power. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or hoses can also affect the air-to-fuel ratio, causing the engine to struggle during acceleration. 3. Ignition system failures. The ignition system is responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. If any component of this system, such as the spark plugs, ignition coils, or spark plug wires, is faulty, the combustion process will be incomplete or weak, resulting in loss of power. Worn or fouled spark plugs may not provide a strong enough spark to fully ignite the mixture, while bad ignition coils can cause misfires, especially under load. These problems often become more apparent when accelerating, as the engine is under greater stress. 4. Exhaust system restrictions. A restricted exhaust system can also cause power loss. The catalytic converter, which reduces harmful emissions, can become clogged over time, restricting the flow of exhaust gases. This back pressure can choke the engine, preventing it from expelling gases efficiently, which reduces performance. A damaged or clogged muffler or exhaust pipe can have a similar effect, as it restricts airflow out of the engine. The result is a sluggish response when pressing the accelerator, and in some cases, the vehicle may even stall under heavy load. 5. Transmission or clutch problems. Issues with the transmission or clutch in manual vehicles can also result in a loss of power during acceleration. A slipping clutch will not engage the transmission properly, causing the engine to rev without transferring power to the wheels effectively. Similarly, a failing automatic transmission can cause delayed or improper gear shifts, leading to reduced acceleration. Transmission fluid that is low or degraded can cause slipping, overheating, or delayed shifts, all of which contribute to power loss. When the transmission doesn't engage the right gear or slips, the vehicle will struggle to accelerate smoothly. Losing power during acceleration can be frustrating and dangerous, as it affects both vehicle performance and safety. Diagnosing the root cause often requires checking the fuel, air, ignition, exhaust, and transmission systems. Regular maintenance, such as changing fuel and air filters, replacing spark plugs, and keeping transmission fluids at the right level, can help prevent these issues. If power loss persists, a more thorough diagnostic by a professional mechanic is recommended to identify and fix the specific problem.